As we stand on the threshold of a new year, let us collectively embark on a journey filled with hope, compassion, and positive transformation. The canvas of time unfolds before us, offering a myriad of opportunities to weave stories of kindness, understanding, and unity. In the tapestry of humanity, each thread represents a unique individual, a diverse culture, and a shared history. As we celebrate the new year, let us celebrate the richness of this tapestry, embracing the beauty that lies in our differences and recognizing the strength that comes from our collective existence. May the coming year be a beacon of light, guiding us through the challenges that may arise. Let kindness be our guiding principle, a force that binds us together and transcends the boundaries that may seek to divide. In times of uncertainty, may our shared humanity be a source of solace and strength, reminding us that we are not alone in our journey. As we turn the pages of the calendar, let understanding be the currency with which we navigate the complexities of our interconnected world. Let us strive to comprehend the perspectives of others, fostering empathy and building bridges of understanding that span across cultures, beliefs, and experiences. Love, the universal language that knows no barriers, should resonate in our words and actions. Let it be the force that drives us to create a world where compassion triumphs over hatred, where generosity triumphs over selfishness, and where love triumphs over fear. This new year is an opportunity for growth, both individually and collectively. May it be a time of self-discovery, learning, and development. Let us challenge ourselves to be better, to do better, and to contribute to the well-being of our global community. In the symphony of life, let laughter be the melody that brings joy and harmony. Amidst the challenges and responsibilities, let us not forget the importance of finding moments of happiness and sharing smiles with one another. As we raise our glasses to toast the new year, let's also raise our collective consciousness towards the pressing issues that demand our attention. May we work together to address global challenges such as climate change, inequality, and injustice, fostering a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Here's to a year of possibilities, a year where dreams are pursued and realized. May 2024 be a chapter in our collective story that shines with the brilliance of shared achievements and positive impact. Cheers to a brighter, kinder, and more connected world. With love and optimism,